off to an extremely lunch date with my friend. I told her 5:30 and it's literally moving on to 6:30. She knows me, but I really wanted to try to get there early. But I had to do my makeup and I did put on some lashes. Y'all see me with a new hairstyle. You probably can't see it now. But I did process my hair, relax my hair a couple days ago. Then I got a bang. We're trying to grow our hair, okay? But anyway, this is the fit that we're working with. My sandals is by the door already because I wore that today for errands. And yeah, let's head out. Bad bitches hate a beamer, that's a big Benz. Bad bitches in a beamer, that's a big Benz. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man. Sending cash in my account, he investing. Hey guys, so I'm using the front camera so y'all know it is not the best quality. So I got invited to a games night, so I'm actually here at the place and it's top floor. So we're gonna head upstairs right now. Just parked and all of that, so let's go ahead and see what this game night is going on. I've actually heard some music going on, so yeah, let's see. But just coming from Regency with my friend. Hey girl. Yeah, we had a great time. Like, Regency is our hangout spot. You've been following me for a while, y'all know Regency is my hangout spot. When we're there, we just eat, drink, and I got there probably like 6 and we left there after 10. So yeah, anyways, let's head to the games night. Hey y'all, so happy Sunday. So we are all dressed. We are heading out on the road very shortly. It's early morning. I think it's after 8 a.m. right now. And I am going to be a moral support today for my friend Sue. She is doing paragliding for the first time ever. Woo. Oh, I think I just got a call. Yeah, so super excited for her, and that's something that I'm definitely interested in too. So the ending of 2025, we're definitely gonna paraglide. Anyways, we need to head out to here. I'm gonna pick her up, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when we are at the location. Guys, so we are at the location. I'm actually at Skyline, and Sue is about to paraglide. I will add their Instagram information below. She is gonna be jumping. Hold on, they're calling me, so hold on. They are coming. Oh, I'm using for thingy too. Open it back. Cinematic? Yeah. See, my phone is not a feature now. You can know my phone outdated.
Was it for you now? I ask you, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Please
That's
say
good.
yes, because if you say no, we wait forever.
Oh no.
Till
Okay.
the breeze is done and it's night.
Okay. Okay.
So, are you ready?
Yes.
Then I count down. 3, 2, 1, go. And then we start walking with big steps. Oh, pull. Strong pulling. Yes, that's the way.
Alright. I am actually on the edge of the mountain. Homegirl is almost ready to go. I am super excited for my friend. Super excited. And this is definitely on my bucket list of 2025. I so gotta do this. Like, oh, I'm super excited. So, you know, she is all strapped in. And yeah, she's ready to go. I am just gonna flip around the camera and just show you guys, you know, the instructions and all of that. And let me show you my environment. Yep. Okay, let's go. That's a car fast, man. Cheers.
kids. We just saw them land, so I'm just jumping back into the car to follow them down. I think that's the end. We may stop for breakfast. I need to ask if we're gonna get some breakfast. I haven't eaten anything for morning. If not, I'm just gonna have some breakfast alone, then I'm gonna head home. I definitely don't have any cleaning or anything to do for today. Did all of that last week and just, you know, did a little bit of cleaning in the week. So yeah, we're gonna see where this Sunday takes us. So their landing was actually at the UTech campus, so we're inside heading to them right now. Alright guys, so I just dropped off Sue. I'm still contemplating if I should get some breakfast, but I pulled up at the supermarket, so I need to get something to cook for today, and then after that we'll figure out if we're gonna get breakfast or not.
Heard about my past, things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried to make me talking crazy. I need you all in my space.
Okay, got my food, y'all. Time to head home. I am starving. Remember I told you guys I haven't had anything well, I did have like tea this morning before I left out. American, what is this? Oh, she gave me American. Oh, they gave me the wrong order. No, me have to go back. Good thing I check in the freaking thing, yo. Oh my god, this is the second time you come to the location and give me wrong order. Hold on guys, let me just change my order. I think this is the orange juice. Okay. I will, where's my keys? So, I'll be back. So guys, I switched my order, then I got the correct order and I realized I ordered the wrong thing. The burger is so tiny as hell. I ordered 5 instead of 3 that I normally ordered. Anyways, we're home, almost home. So yeah, we're just gonna have our food, chill. I definitely need to wash, but that's not gonna happen again today. Like, I'm super tired. I just want to relax for the rest of the day, so we're just gonna chill, have our breakfast / early lunch, and we probably cook later. So that is the plan for the rest of the day.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay here. I want every little bit.
So I'm so disappointed in my meal already, and I haven't even started it. Well, I had some fries and it's already cold. Anyways, let me see if this orange juice is good. Okay, orange juice is good. Alright guys, I'm so disappointed in my meal already. Did you know I was going to go to a cafe? I was like, it would be nice to go to a cafe and sit and eat, get my food like hot and all of that, because I was going to have the food there, and like I was like, nah, let me just go to Burger King and then head straight home because I'm just super tired. I went to my bed like almost 3 a.m. early this morning and I had to get up at 7. So fries is already cold too. But we're gonna relax the rest of the day, find a movie and chill.
Plenty